Tablets have become an essential part of our daily lives, from reading books and watching movies to working and attending online meetings. However, holding a tablet for extended periods of time can be uncomfortable and tiring, which is where a tablet stand comes in handy. A tablet stand not only provides a comfortable viewing angle, but also keeps your device stable and secure. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best tablet stands that will make your life easier and more comfortable.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
The Laxarmer tablet stand is a highly durable and stable tablet stand that is made from a full aluminum alloy material. It features a thicker and larger base with a center of gravity design, providing superior strength and stability while remaining lightweight. The aluminum metal material aids in cooling your device, and the hole in the platform station increases airflow, preventing overheating. Additionally, the stand is equipped with silicone-covered pads and rubber hooks that support your tablet gently but securely, protecting it from sliding and potential scratches. The soft rubber bands on the holder also ensure your device is held in place, while the base pads prevent any sliding, falling, or accidents. The stand is highly portable and can be fully folded into a compact bag size, making it perfect for travel or business trips. It also offers enhanced functionality with 3 hinges and a 2-stage connecting bar. The upper hinge adjusts the angle, while the lower hinge adjusts the height. It is adjustable in height from 0 to 7.9 inches, and the tiltable clip allows for customization of your device angle from 0 to 180 degrees, providing optimal positions and angles for writing and general device usage. Transform your tablet into a versatile workstation at your desk or on the go with the Satechi aluminum stand and hub. This 2-in-1 device features a USB-C PD charging port capable of delivering up to 60 watts of power, a 4K HDMI display output with a maximum refresh rate of 60 Hz, a USB-A data port with transfer speeds of up to 5 GB per second, and microSD card readers along with an audio jack port, all accessible through a built-in USB-C cable. The aluminum stand and hub is designed for portability with a foldable design and built-in USB-C cable that makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. It also raises your tablet to an optimal viewing angle, making it ideal for video calls and watching content. Additionally, the stand is lined with protective padding that safeguards your device against scratches. The Lamicall tablet stand is a versatile device that offers a superior user experience. Its base features an enhanced design with a non-slip rubber pad to prevent tablets or phones from falling while in use. The stand is also equipped with silicone pads that prevent scratches on your device, while the wider groove hook can accommodate thicker devices up to 0.7 inches in thickness. With the ability to adjust the height of the stand up to 9.6 inches and down to a minimum of 7.1 inches, you can easily find the perfect viewing height for you. Whether you're watching a movie, playing games, or engaging in a video call, the stand's height can be easily adjusted using the button located at the back. Furthermore, the adjustable tablet stand has been designed with ergonomic principles in mind, with flexible and adjustable angles that allow you to find most comfortable position for your needs. This makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of activities, including playing games, video calls, recording videos, watching videos, cooking, learning, and much more. Looking for a tablet stand that's not only practical but also stylish and reliable? Look no further than the OMOTON tablet stand. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy and equipped with protective silicone pads, this stand is designed to securely hold your device in position and prevent it from sliding or scratching. Plus, its 2-shaft structure provides enhanced stability and allows you to adjust the height to your preference. But that's not all. This stand is also foldable and portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. And with its 360 rotating base, it transforms your tablet into a versatile desktop monitor that's perfect for drawing, writing, reading, and sharing. Say goodbye to uncomfortable angles and awkward positions. The OMOTON tablet stand makes it easy to work and play comfortably no matter where you are. The Elago Magnetic Stand is a sturdy and stylish stand made of durable aluminum. The stand is specially designed to be used with an iPad and securely holds it in place using a compatible magnetic folio case. However, even if you don't have an Elago Magnetic Folio case, you can still use this stand with your tablet thanks to the versatile ring included in the box. With a 360-degree rotation capability, you can enjoy your favorite content at any angle, whether you prefer to watch it horizontally or vertically. Plus, the adjustable viewing angle ensures that you can find the perfect position for maximum comfort and convenience. And let's not forget about the cable management hole, which helps you keep all of your cables organized and in one place, eliminating the clutter and mess that often comes with multiple cords. So, these were the top 5 best tablet stands just for you. Which one of these would you go with and why? We would love to hear from you, so do let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.